Because I've been asked about this a lot, today I'm gonna show you how to recycle old beer bottles and make these super cool custom drinking glasses. Now, I like to use Corona beer or Desperados, or any type of beer that has this cool design or glass imprint, because using regular beer bottles you'll just get round glass cups you can't stack. But unfortunately you can't buy empty beer bottles at the store, so first we're gonna have to empty these bottles. Cheers. You know what? I just had breakfast. I'm not really the type of guy that drinks beer in the morning, but can't really say it's morning anyway. Recycle glass bottles and jars and create functional art at the same time. So that's what it says, and you feel like you're doing something really good for the environment. You're reusing glass bottles and you can feel fancy about yourself. It's not like I already have enough glasses that I can use. So this is the apparatus, and the way it usually works is you have these rollers and that thing which you mount over there, and these are the cutters. You make it like that and roll it, but that doesn't work, so we're not going to do it. We're basically not using any of that shit, but the tiny cutting wheel. Okay, so what I like to do is get like a bunch of wood pieces. It's essentially just something you can build a tower with, and then you clamp it down. Because this is much better than the bottle cutter. I can really like push it down onto the table and then just roll around. So anyway, now we put on the kettle, and now we wait and drink more beer. Cheers. And then cold. And then hot. Okay. That's good. And should your drill press be in service for whatever reason, you can also do it by hand with just some regular sandpaper, but I promise you it will take forever, and you're going to hate yourself and you want to kill yourself, and it's just, you're not going to have a good time, I promise you. So you should really use that tool. And now I just turn it on and press it down. Remember kids, don't operate heavy machinery when you're drunk. I mean, this isn't too heavy, I can still lift it. And I'm also not drunk. Let's turn it back on. Safe and sound, and grind away. I think that's good enough. We're gonna switch gear, and I use a Dremel with a diamond bit. This can go up to 30,000 RPM. Maybe I should put on some protective goggles. I don't have any protective goggles. I will just put on some sunglasses, you know, just to protect my eyes. What we want to do is make these hard edges a little smoother. Just make it a little rounder and nicer so you don't cut your lips when you want to drink something from that. Okay, now the outside. Okay, now it's it's a little smoother. I mean, I didn't do a very good job this time. Usually I'm much slower and way more careful, but you know, after like all that beer, I honestly don't care that much. I'm gonna change bits now and use that thing. I don't know what it's called, but that makes it nice and smooth. Because now it's like, I don't know if you can see it, the edge is still a little bit crooked and it's like all white and powdery. I think that's just glass dust. And this smells a bit funny. Like I think the paper is kind of burning, but that's what we want. Now I'm finished. I want to use it and take a. I don't want to drink more beer, honestly, but I'm going to drink something from it. Clean it first because you don't want to swallow glass dust. I took so much care not to breathe it in. It would be stupid to just chug it right in there now. But yeah, let's do that. Actually, you know, we can do that here in the bathroom. Just get some nice, refreshing water. You know, really clean it thoroughly. Cheers. Nice and refreshing. Doesn't that look good? There you have it. That's the procedure. That's the way to do it. That's how you can make your own custom glasses and make all your friends jealous, or give them to your friends as presents and make them also jealous of how good of a friend you are. And if you learned something today, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will post the next video in a couple of years, and you can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I don't post anything.